Hey everybody, so today's the big day. We actually get started on the OBS GMC build. So all right, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a little dent right here, and it looks like something's kind of scraped along the body. So I'm gonna shine that up and get started filling this, and then we'll start getting some of the little ping dents and stuff up on the rails. Already got this thing primed, and I've started on the final sanding, get some of the imperfections out of it that I find after I get it primed, and then I'll go over it with another coat of the primer. And
All right, so last night me and Sean got this whole thing sprayed with a couple of coats of paint. All that's left is the top needs another coat because it's a little thin up there, but then after that we're gonna be laying the clear down. Me personally, I believe we laid down our best paint job to date. Alright, what are we getting ready to do? We're getting ready to, this is where the light goes in the back. The only light.
Alright, I'm going hard. Well, I know what you're thinking. We've got quite a bit happening, and we're going to actually, we're going to be doing the lift on the, I'm getting ready to grind the place where I cut the bracket off to kind of smooth it up. I'm also going to grind the fins on the front differential. Now the instructions, I have been waiting on these for a minute. I did not think it would be this hard to find this right here. The original GM Chrome. Hey folks, so I am waiting on parts again. And while I'm waiting on parts, I took this opportunity. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the bed liner in it. All right, so we've got all the brakes bled out on the rear of this truck, and everything has gone just absolutely great. I really like the way the pedal feels, and you couldn't ask for anything but, better. So if you look at this thing though, I mean, nice disc conversion on the rear. I love it. So let's go ahead and get these tires. We'll throw them back on here. We'll move it around, see how the brakes feel, and I think we're golden. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw a tonneau cover on this thing. We've got a nice soft trifold tonneau cover. Sets the truck off, I think, and what more can you ask for? I just love the looks of these bed covers on these old trucks. So I just got the last piece in for our OBS GMC build, and I'm excited. So this is the piece that's going to tie everything we put on the truck to date together for the look that we were going for. And these are actually not seat covers, or seat skins, because we replaced the skins that are on the seats with this. Unfortunately. All right, folks, so they are here. I'm here with John Epperson, and I'm getting ready to change his life. He has no idea what is behind that door, and let me tell you something, these guys are in for a treat. We've had his truck for about 9 months, and now we're getting ready to show him what it finally looks like. We've got his beautiful wife, Deb Epperson, over here, and they're just super stoked. And I am so glad to be a part of this. So, you know, how do you feel? How do you guys feel?
I'm excited. You know, you teased us a little bit throughout, so I've seen a few things. I'm excited to see the finished product. Really
Well,
excited.
like I said, today is the day we're getting ready to see the culmination of how everything has come together, and I think you guys are going to be absolutely blown away. So let's go ahead and see what's behind these doors. Ready?
That is so beautiful.
Oh my gosh, that is.
We stunning.
And there it is.
Oh my gosh.
That is what we've been working on. I know what you had envisioned. It changed up a little bit, so you
I
have
see that.
no clue.
Yeah, I see
But
that.
now I want you to see how it all flows together, and now you understand why I did what I did, because that
Alrighty.
is a showpiece. And let's
You should have got a backup camera to make it.
Well,
so
now
much
you
easier.
got one.
I do.
And it's got the lines and everything in it. So now if you want to try it, go ahead and start the truck and put it in reverse. It'll automatically pop up. Check that out. So I had to clean it all up because,
Man, that looks so much better.
yeah, and it's all, there we have it. You know,
That is so awesome, Sean. Oh, I love it.
now there's actually more.
Really?
Yeah, because, you know, I told you that we were going to do some new shocks on it. Well, I kind of upgraded and I put in some new rough country extreme duty shocks. So now you could probably drive this thing through a canyon and it would still hold up.
Like, I'm gonna not be taking it anywhere too far off-road. I don't want to screw up the paint.
But it's got that front and rear. These are actually impact rated as well. They're heavy wall steel. Obviously, you already knew about the lift kit and the wheels.
Yeah.
But, you know, I think it's got a decent ride height. I know you know about this back here. I don't know if you knew about these, which these are actually coated and they're blacked out a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we've also got a nice
Oh, spray and bed liner.
spray and bed liner.
Beautiful.
All right, so now we've seen the truck. So what is your guys' opinion? What do you think about your new truck? I mean, is this what you expected, or you know?
Expectations exceeded. Absolutely stunning paint job. Everything blends together so well. The wheels, the tires, gosh, interior. I think it's wonderful. I think everything is just.
Just no words, right?
No, I'm serious.
I mean, and
I don't know what
that's
to
what
say.
we're shooting for. You know, we like to get in your guys' head. We like to find out as much about you, you know, your person and your as an individual that you are. And we actually try to tailor the vehicle to you. And that's what sets us apart from everybody else, is we actually get in there, figure out, hey, what kind of person is he? let's build him a truck. And that's exactly what I hope we pulled off. And like I said, I was super ecstatic that you guys are happy with what we've done. And here you go. You've got a new truck, and it'll last you many years. So. So now that was awesome. I just can't get over their reaction and how much, you know, they really like the truck, and that's why we do what we do. That's why we go to the lengths that we do. When we do these builds, you know, we try to tailor them to the individual. You know, the paint, like I said, that's his paint. Nobody else will get that because I'm gonna put it in the book under his name, and you know, that's his custom mix. You know, I do that specifically for folks who want custom paint. That way nobody else has something similar if we're doing a custom build like this. You know, that kind of makes it give, you know, them the fact that it is special and specially built for them. You know, like I said, I hated to see the truck go, but I love to see it leave. It's so bittersweet, but at the same time, you know, this is what we do and this is why we do it. Now, everything that's been done to the truck will be in the description of the video, so if you want to pick up some of these mods, a lot of them are available on our website if you choose to do that. But for now, like I said, subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next episode.